Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to fold or adjust your mirrors in your 2019 Tesla Model 3. So, in order to access this feature, make sure you go to the center screen right here, of course, because this controls everything that you have in this vehicle. And since we're going to be talking about adjustments about the side mirrors, all you have to do is to make sure you go to the car logo right here, bottom left hand side, and then go to quick controls and then adjustments. As you can see, it does have an option to fold it, so let me go do that. As you can see on both sides that the mirror has been folded. To unfold, of course, just click on it again and it will unfold the side mirrors for you. And as for the adjustments for the mirrors, so you can see right here, use the left hand steering wheel controls to adjust your side mirrors. So we're gonna do that since it's on the left hand side. Use the little dial right here, left and right, up and down, just like a typical side mirror adjust controls, but except it's on the steering wheel. Same goes if you want to go to the right side, just click on the right button right here, just like that, and then you can control it on the left hand side. So you can see there how it's adjusting. Really cool. Something completely different than the typical car that you use every day. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this quick tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.